guys, this is Hitesh and welcome to my channel I'm Ian Enfield. So as you guys already know that I have completed 1000 subscribers, and that's a very good news for me and also for my whole YouTube family, that is you guys. You guys supported me so good and so well that I've completed 1000 subscribers. So I just want to thank you guys from bottom of my heart, and it feels very nice and it feels very proud also. Today is Saturday 5th of May 2017. So as I've told you guys that I will be doing some modification in my bike. So I will be going to the garage for the light. If you guys are following me on my Instagram and Facebook, so I've already announced that I've bought a new light, light as in LED indicator and LED tail light for my love, for my Royal Enfield. So I will be putting that light today, and before that I want to wash my bike, so I will be going there first and then to the garage. As you guys see that I've just got up, so it's time for me to take bath and leave from home. So I'm going for a bath and I'll see you later. So now I'm all fresh and I'm ready to leave. Wait a second. Yeah, this is fine. So I'm all fresh and I'm ready to leave. So what I will do is I will have my breakfast and I'll leave for bike wash, and then I'll go to the garage. So see you there. Okay, so this is my bike, and as you can see the condition is very bad. I mean not that bad, but it's very dirty. So right now I'm going to get it washed. It's very hot here in Mumbai, and I forgot to wear full sleeves and I'm wearing half sleeves. But it's okay yaar, chalta hai. So as you guys know, I stay in Jogeshwari and I will be going to JVLR for bike wash. Actually not that proper bike wash, I just want to get it cleaned. I have carried the LED lights with me in the backpack. My bike gets dirty very soon because the area around my office is very dirty. वहाँ पर बहुत धूल मिट्टी होती रहती है. So every time I wash my bike, it gets dirty very soon. One thing I can do is I can cover my bike with the bike cover so that it won't get that dirty. So now the plan is I will be doing the lights today, LED lights today, and we'll do the handlebar and the exhaust part next week. I'll be doing the bike wash in the local bike wash center because as I told that I just want to wash my bike, not the proper diesel wash. So I'll be doing it somewhere here. Where is the bike wash? Bike wash होता है क्या? कोई है? अच्छा. So as you can see the condition of my bike, it's not that dirty, but it's somewhat dirty. So I will be changing this indicator lights and this tail light. I'll be upgrading these lights with the LED lights which I've shown you. So now I'll get the bike washed and then I'll directly go to the garage for changing these lights.
Close my eyes. Okay, so I'm done with the washing and I have kept the engine on for some time because it's very cold after washed, and now I'm ready to go to the garage for the light work. Garage is located in Jogeshwari West and I'll be reaching there in 5-10 minutes. When you ride you don't feel the heat, but when you stop at the signal or somewhere, the heat is, kya bolu, you feel roasted, seriously. I also want to buy a, what you called it, hand sleeves to protect your hand from the heat. So as you know, Jogeshwari is famous for its tabela. Tabela, what you call it, cow shed. This is the garage which I'm talking about. Yeah, this is, and that is छोटू भाई. छोटू भाई कैसे हो? बस बढ़िया एकदम. अच्छा, मैं लाइट लगानी थी, लेके आऊँ मैं अंदर? अच्छा.
This is the inside part, what we have in the tail light section, and as you can see it's very dirty. This is the tail light assembly, so I'll be changing this portion. डिस्क ब्रेक. सो छोटू भाई ने ये छोटा सा स्टूल बनाया है बैठने के लिए, कस्टम, जो बाइक का पार्ट्स है, तो उसमें अभी मैं बैठ के शूट करने वाला हूँ. हाँ, ये क्या कर रहे हैं अभी?
ये सॉकेट चेंज कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
अच्छा.
ये 500 का जो सॉकेट है ऐसा है,
हाँ,
ओल्ड का है.
अच्छा.
बैठेगा नहीं तो अपना सॉकेट टू सॉकेट हो जाएगा, कोई कट नहीं रहेगा वायर का.
अच्छा.
खाली कट करेंगे तो कोई मतलब नहीं ना, कभी ओरिजिनल करने का रहेगा तो फिर.
which I'll be changing. it looks after changing the indicator and tail light. It is all LED, so it consumes less power and give more brightness. So overall it's very nice, and I've checked it in the daytime, so I have to check it in the night also, how is the power and the brightness. As you can see below, I have done the indicator and the brake light change. Now we'll update you about the next modification later. And by the way, this is the garage I was talking about, where I do my servicing and all. And beside that is the summer mount up.
So guys, time for a short update. I met Chotu Bhai and I told him about the other modification which I'll be doing. I mean the handlebar and the exhaust. So what he told me that as I've done the servicing just now, so just wait for another oil change, maybe in some 2 to 3,000 kilometers, and then do the exhaust change if I want. Here the temperature is very high, so it might affect the engine if I put the Gold Star exhaust now. So what he suggested me is just to wait for another oil change and then do the exhaust change. I know it's very sad, but I have to wait. Yeah, I have to wait for another oil change. Till then I'll do the handlebar change. I can do it today also or probably next week. And as I have shown you, beside the garage is the summer mount up shop. So I've also asked Melvin, the owner of the shop, about the eclipse light or the handlebar and lights. So he told me that it will be coming somewhere in next weekend. My bike is running very smooth now after the servicing, and it's almost been 200 kilometers after the servicing, and my bike is running so very smooth.
Okay, so it was a very tiring day, and the day is not over, but I'm talking about the video. As I've told you before, I've done with the washing and the garage part 2, and now I'm at home. It's very hot outside, and it feels very nice to be back home. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys liked it, please give this video a like and please share with your friends too. And now I can proudly say that I'm in 1000 subscriber group, and there's lot more to come. And what else, just one more thing I want to tell you guys. Just follow me in Instagram and like my Facebook page also. I update over there before the video comes. So this is it guys, I'm ending this video here. Hope you guys liked it, and stay tuned for the next modification which I'll be doing, and that will be handlebar, which I'll be doing it somewhere in next week. So stay tuned and stay subscribed. Till then, this is Hitesh Rawat signing off. Bye bye. In the daytime and in the night time. In the daytime, in the night time.